How to turn off lock screen notifications on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off lock screen notifications on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app. Now just click these three lines in top corner and then click settings. And now just scroll down. Click notifications and then scroll down, and here you will find lock screen, and then all you need to do, it's just click on it one click, and as you see it have been turned off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.